Now new life begins. Within the ovum, the nucleus of the sperm enlarges. Male and female chromosomes intermingle. The halves are drawn to opposite poles, and two new cells are formed with equal numbers of chromosomes from mother and father. These chromosomes, it is believed, are composed of thousands of infinitesimal units, too small to be seen even under the microscope. These are the genes, each having its predetermined and exact location in lengthy succession. They exercise a chemical control, directing and restricting those changes which determine future form and function. Whether, for instance, the child will eventually have a large, bony frame like his father, or a tendency to slimness like his mother. Whether the color of his eyes will be brown or blue. The location of the genes within the chromosomes is not a matter of chance. Their order is determined by the union of the father's and mother's genes, and of their parents' genes and their parents' parents, backward from generation to generation until the sources are lost in the vast ocean of time. And so, this newly developing unit of life, in reality no bigger than a pinpoint, contains within it an echo of the whole parental history, an unbroken line from the dim past which will carry life forward into the future. After 6 or 7 days, the cell cluster arrives within the uterus, the walls of which have been enriched in the menstrual cycle. Here the journey ends. It settles, usually against the upper part of the uterine wall. Its outer cells gently dissolve the surrounding tissue, and so it nestles into the lining of the uterus, which closes over it. Here is the first resting place, the first sheltered and protected home. Now, within the new cell structure, a clear, transparent liquid has formed. Two cavities appear, the amniotic sac and the yolk sac. A different type of cell, the mesoderm, grows between the cavities, and gradually the growing organism moves toward the center of the fluid, attached by a stalk, which will eventually become the umbilical cord. Here the embryo gradually takes form, as though an invisible sculptor, remembering the whole evolution of mankind,